how to make task template on Asana. And this about be really helping you through what is going on and how you can start to deal with that, as you can understand and see, still to be really defining the situation that is still ready to be very good to be understood on what is going on and how we can start to deal with that progress that is still to be really defining by the progress, and what it can be actually done is exactly sun that is still to be really very good to be defining by the situation that I started to see and how we can start to deal with that. So what we can do is about to create a task in the desired fields, assignments, due datas, more options button to three dots in the top right corner of the task, use template. And then about to save the task template for the future users. So what we can do is exactly is about to click on here and click on three dots. Now start to click on convert to task template, and that's all about to help you.